The caregiver places the camel directly behind the person, with the camel badge in line with their head. The caregiver should then position a slide sheet lengthways under the person to enable them to be easily maneuvered onto the camel. Ideally, the person should be centered with their head on the camel badge. The slide sheet should then be removed. The handset is operated by pressing and holding the numbered buttons in sequence, starting with number 1. The backrest will now start to inflate. Continue until the person is comfortable. The more supine the person is, the greater the support provided, but for medical reasons, it may be necessary to fully inflate the backrest. To stop the inflation, release the button at any time. For reassurance, eye contact can be maintained throughout the entire lift. Press and hold number 2. This inflates the second section. The air will automatically stop once the section is fully inflated. Apart from the backrest, it is essential that all sections are fully inflated before moving on to the next. An uneven lift may occur if the person is not positioned centrally on the camel. This can easily be corrected by placing your hand on the opposite side. Press and hold number 3 to inflate the third section. 3 inflated sections will usually be sufficient to enable transfer, but a taller person may require all 4. Once the required number of levels have been raised, ensure that the backrest is now fully inflated. If necessary, the person can rest until they are ready to be assisted to stand up or side transfer off. Press and hold the buttons either simultaneously or individually for approximately 5 seconds to release the air pressure. Disconnect the air lines as shown. Any remaining air may be dispelled through applying pressure. The camel can then be packed away, ready for next use.